Class 8 Mathematics Identities Exercise 9.2. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today I will tell you about the identities and the next exercise. Now let us see the factorization with the help of identities. So what is the identities? It is the a square plus 2ab and plus b square. So identity is a plus b and a plus b because it is the a plus b whole square. Let us see the second one is it is a square minus of 2ab plus b square. So their identity is a minus b and a minus b. That means it is a minus b whole square. So let us see the third one. It is the a square minus b square. That one is a plus b and a minus b. So only three identities are here. So first identity is this one, this here. Second identity, and this is your third identity. So you have to remember this identity. It is used in your question. So it is remembered by heart. So let us see the question how can do and how can apply in the question. So let us see, it is your example 12. Now you can write here 9x square plus 24xy and plus 16 of y square. Let us see which exercise, which one is using. You can using this one, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b and a plus b. So let us see how can apply this one. So you have to write here it is 3x whole square and it is 2 into 3x. What will be others? So you can write here it is the 4 4 ja 16. So it is 4y square. So you have to write here 4y. Let us check it is 24xy or not. So 4 3 ja 12 and 12 2 ja 24. That one is correct and here is xy. So that is the formula of 3x plus 4y whole square. So you have to write it 2 times. So it is 3x plus 4y and second one is 3x plus 4y. So that is the factor of this polynomial. So that one is your answer. I think it's a very easy question. Let us see in this, factorize this one. So it is the p square minus 4p cube and plus 4q square. So which one is using properties? You let us see, it is the p square minus 2 into p into rest of the 2 cube and here is 2q whole square. So you have used the property which one, a square minus 2ab and plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. So you have to write here it is the p minus 2q whole square and you have to write it is 2 times. So p minus 2q into p minus 2q. So that is your answer. It's very simple. Let us see the next one. It is the factorize this one. That means 16 of m square minus 25 of n square. So it is 4m of whole square and minus 5n of whole square. So we can use the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So let us see what will be happen in this. So we can first add to 4m plus 5n and in second we can subtract both. So it is 4m minus 5n and that one is your answer. So let us see the next question. So example is 15. So we have to write here it is the 44 of x minus 3 of y and whole square minus here is 100. So we can use the property like this, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and in second that is the a minus b. Let us see how can do this. So it is the 4x minus 3y whole square and here is 10 square. So you can see here it is the 4x minus 3y and plus 10 and in second bracket it is the 4x minus 3y and minus 10. So that one is your answer. So you can check very well. Let us see the exercise your 9.2. Yes, now come to this exercise and how can apply the formula of in this exercise. So first of all the identity which is used. So I have to write here a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square, and which is written by 2 times. It is a plus b and a plus b. So how can do this? So here is the 4x square plus 20 of xy, and here is 25 of y square. So first of all it becomes 2x whole square and plus 2 into 2x, and rest of the part is, that is the 5. So you have to write 5y, and plus here is 5y whole square. So it is the perfect square, so you have to write 2x plus 5y whole square like this, and you can write it is 2 times, so 2x plus 5y, and once again it is 2x plus 5y. So that one is your answer. So let us see what will be happen in this question. So it's a very simple. I think you can do all this type of question. Let us see the second question. So second question, it is the 25 of a square plus 70 of ab, and here is 49 of b square. So what will be happen in this? I have a identity, that is the a square plus of 2ab plus of b square. That means it is a plus b whole square, and you can write it is 2 times, so a plus b and a plus b. So let us see how can apply in this. So that one is 5a whole square, and here is 2 into 5a into what will be, here is 7b, and here is 7b whole square. So it is the perfect square, so you have to write 5a plus 7b whole square, and it will be written as the 2 times, so 5a plus 7b, and here is 5a plus 7b. So that one is your answer. So you have to write, and you can do very well. So let us see what will be happen in this question. So it has 2 questions, so let us see. Yes, it is 9x square. So you can see here it is 9x square plus 6x plus 1. So I want to run once again, it is 6x and plus 1. So it is 3x whole square, and here is 2 into 3x into 1, and here is 1 whole square. So you have to write it is 3x plus 1 whole square. So you can write it is 2 times, so that one is 3x plus 1, and once again it is 3x plus 1, and that one is your answer. Let us see in the fourth question. So that one is, it is 1 plus 18 of a plus 81 of a squares. So let us check, it is 1 square, we can write here 1 square is 1, and here is 2 into 1, and here is 9 a's, and here is 9a whole square, because 9 9 is 81 and a is here. So that one is a formula, and that formula is 1 plus 9a whole square. So you have to write 1 plus 9a into 1 plus 9a. So that is the factor of this polynomial. Let us see this one. It is given as fifth part. So in this question, let us see the question number 5th. So you can solve this one. It is given as p square plus p and plus 1 by 4. How can solve this? It is the p whole square and plus 2 into p into 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 whole square, that is the 1 by 4. So you have to write it is p plus 1 by 2 of whole square, and you can write it is 2 times, so p plus 1 by 2, and once again it is p plus 1 by 2. So that is your answer. Let us see in sixth part what will be happen here. It is 36 of a square and plus 132 of ab, and here is 121 b square. So what will be happen? It is the 6 of a square and here is 2 into 6a, and here is 11b, because 11b whole square is 121b square. So let us see, the formula is it is the 6a plus 11b whole square. So you have to write this bracket two times. So that one is 6a plus 11 of b, and in second here is 6a plus 11 of b. So that one is your answer. Let us see the next one is, so next the question number 2. Question number 2, use identity to factorize. Factorize करना है but using the identity. So how can do this one? So let us see how can do this one. It is the a square minus of 10ab and plus of 25 of b square. So let us see, it is the a whole square minus 2 into a, and what about here? It is the 5b. So 5 to the 10, that is the 10ab, and here is 5b whole square. ये 5b हमेशा यहाँ लिखा जाता है, ध्यान रखना सब, यहाँ पे जब भी 5b आता है ये जो भी लिखा रहता है वो यहीं पे लिखा जाता है, और यहाँ से चेक करते हैं इसको. 25b स्क्वायर है, सो यू कैन राइट हियर 5b होल स्क्वायर. तो यही 5b हमें यहाँ पे लिखना होता है. सो यू हैव टू राइट दिस वन. सो इट इज अ फॉर्मूला that is the a minus 5b whole square, and you can write two times. So it is a minus 5b, and in second bracket that is the a minus 5b. So that one is your answer. Let us the second part of this question, and it is the 16 of x square minus of 104 of x and plus 169. So let us see, it is the 4x whole square and minus 2 into 4x, and what about to this? It is the 13 whole square. So you have to write here 13. So you can check here it is 104 or not. So 2 4 ja 8 and 13 8 ja 104. So it is correct. So you have to write this one, the identity we have used this one, a minus b whole square. So it is 4x minus 13 whole square. So you can write it is two times. So that is the 4x minus 13, and in the second bracket once again you can write here 4x minus 13, and that one is your answer. So I think it's a very simple questions. Now third question, it is 121 of x square minus 88 of xy, and here is 14 or 16. It is 16y square. Let us see, it is the 11 square, so 11x whole square, and minus 2 into 11x. So what about to this? It is the 4y whole square. So you can write 4y, and you can write here 4y whole square. So what happened in this? It is 11x minus 4y whole square. It is a minus b whole square, identity is used here. So we can write two times. First one is 11x minus 4y, and in second that is 11x minus 4y. So that one is your answer. Let us see in this question, it is the x square minus 30 of x and plus 225, that means 225. So let us see, do the identity which is used. It is the a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. So let us see, 2 into x into, that is the 15, 15 to the 30. So we have see here it is 15 whole square. So it is the formula of x minus 15 whole square. So you can write it two times. So x minus 15, and in other that is x minus 15. So that one is your answer. Let us see the next question, that is the fifth question. Fifth part of this question, it is the 36 of a square minus 12 of a and plus 1. So how can say, it is the 6a square minus 2 into 6 of a into 1, and here is 1 square, that is a 1. So you can write here 1. So it is the formula of 6a minus 1 whole square. So we can write two times, that is 6a minus 1, and next one is also 6a minus 1. So you can write it's your answer. So let us see what will be happen in your next question. So that is the using the identity factor to factorize this one. So how can factorize this one? So let us see how can factorize this one. So use the identity of factorize. So I have used the identity. Which one identity? That is a square minus b square. So identity is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. It's this x identity is used in all these examples. So let us see here. It is 25 of a square minus 49 of b square. Let us see. It is the 5a whole square and it is 7b whole square. सो इट इज ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. एक बार ऐड करना है, एक बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. तो 5a प्लस 7b हो गया एक में, और इन सेकेंड ब्रैकेट दैट इज द 5a माइनस 7b एंड दैट वन इज योर आंसर. लेट अस सी इन दिस question. The question is 9x square minus 121 of y square. Let us see this identity. It is the 3x whole square and minus it is 11 of y whole square, because 11 ja 121. So once we can add here 3x plus 11 of y and 1 it subtract here. So it is 3x minus 11y and that one is answer. Identity is always remember the identity is given as a square minus b square, that one a plus b and a minus b. This identity is used in this question. So you have to write the identity also. Let us see the third question of this part. So it is the 64 of a square minus 1. So it is the 8a whole square minus 1 whole square. So in the which it is the 8a plus 1 and 8a minus 1. Which identity is used? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. This identity is used. So you have to write answer. So what will be here? It is the 1 minus 16 of b square. So it is 1 square and minus it is 4 not 8. So it is 4b whole square. So what will be happen? It is 1 plus 4b. एक बार ऐड करना है और एक बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. So 1 minus 4b. So that will be your answer. Let us see the fifth question. Remaining part you can do in your copy and that one is homework. So let us see what will be happen in this fifth part. बचे हुए क्वेश्चन आपको होमवर्क में करने हैं. जो बच गए हैं क्वेश्चन वो सारे आप लोग होमवर्क करेंगे. मैं कोशिश करता हूं ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्वेश्चन आपको करा दूं. So let us see the fifth part of this questions. What will be happen? Our identity first you have to write it identity. So a square minus b square, that is a plus b and here is a minus b. So that identity is used in this question. So our question is 16 upon 25 of m square minus 4 by 9 of n square. So what will be happen? It is 4 upon 5 m whole square and minus here is 2 upon 3 n whole square. So once add here 4 upon 5 m plus 2 by 3 of n and once subtract here. So you have to write 4 upon 5 m minus 2 by 3 of n. So that one is your answer. Let us see the next question number 4. That one is question number 4. Factorize using identity. Identity use करना है. Identity मैंने पहले ही बता दिया है आपको. A square minus b square, that means it is a plus b and a minus b. So you can use this formula. Let us see how can use. So your question is x plus 4y whole square and minus 49. So what will be happen? It is x plus 4y whole square minus it is 7 whole square. So it will be x plus 4y plus 7 and in the second bracket it is subtracted here x plus 4y minus 7 and that one is your answer. So let us see in this example what happen here in this question. It is the 100 minus it is 2a plus 3b whole square. So what will be happen? It is 10 whole square minus it is 2a plus 3b. So now use the above identity. This identity you can use here. So it will be 10 plus 2a plus 3b, and in the second bracket change their sign, it is 10 minus 2a minus 3b. So that one is your answer. Let us see next question. So next question is going here in front of you, and that one is third question. So let us see what will be happen in this. So I have the identity, and the two identities are used here. So first of all, let us see what will be happen. The question is 4x square plus 20 of xy and plus 25 of y square minus 36. So let us see, it is the 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 5y and plus 5y whole square minus 36. So that is the 2x plus 5y whole square, and here is 36, and that one is 6 whole square. So use the property, that is the a square minus b square, and that is a plus b and a minus b. So that is the 2x plus 5y, and here is plus 6, and in the second bracket it is 2x plus 5y minus 6. So that one is your answer. Let us see what will be happen in this. It is given as 9x square minus 4x minus 5y whole square. So what will be happen? It is 3x whole square minus 4x minus 5y whole square. So once again it is 3x plus 4y minus 5y. No, it will be not here. So first of once again it is 3x plus 4x minus 5y, and in the second bracket you have to write here 3x minus 4x and change their sign, that is the plus 5y. Let us see what will be happen at 3x and 4x, that is the 7x and minus 5y, and in the second bracket it is minus x and plus 5y. So that will be your answer. So let us see the next question, and that is the fill in the blanks. So how can fill in the blanks? So we can use the identity, the various identity. You have three identities, so you can use this one. I will try to tell you. That one is a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means it is a plus b and it is a plus b, and in the second it is a square minus of 2ab plus b square, and that one is a minus b and a minus b, and third one, that is the a square minus b square, that one a plus b and a minus b. So these are the identity which is used in your questions. So first of all, fill in the blanks. It is the x square minus 25 square, that is the 25y square. Though 5y, that x plus 5y, so here is x minus 5y. So it is the very simple to do. Let us see in your second fill in the blanks, that is the x square plus 6x plus 9. So it is the 3, so you have to write here 3, and here is x. So x plus 3, x plus 3. So that is your answer. Here is the x minus 2x minus and 2x minus, that means it is the 7 here, 7 square, that means you can write here 7 and 7. Here is a square, a plus b whole square and minus 2 square, that is the, it is minus 2 square, not a 4, that is you can see here a plus b plus 2, so you have to write here a plus b minus 2. So in this bracket you can write. So these are the answers, and you can solve very easily. Let us see in this example, in this question number 6. Ram has a square field. The length of side of a square is 5 meter, x meter. So it is given as x meter. This one is x meter. X meter. He left 5 meter wide space. 5 meter wide space ये छोड़ दिया गया. यहाँ पे 5 meter ये wide space छोड़ा हुआ यहाँ दिख रहा है आपको. So that one is 5 meter space. Yes, let us see. 5 meter space, हाँ, wide space along length and width of the field for path. What is the remaining area of this? So this area will be find how दिस एरिया जो बच गया है उसका एरिया फाइंड करना है. सो वी वांट टू फाइंड द लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ आल्सो. सो व्हाट विल बी हैपन इन दिस. So it is your 5 meter. You have to shoot this one your 5 and total is x. So the rest part is x minus 5 meter and it is also x minus 5 meter. This one. It is only this one and it is a square. So let us see what will be happen. So remaining length is equal to x. Initial length x meter and the remaining length is x minus 5 meter and breadth is also x minus 5 meter. So now find the area of this one. So area of remaining field is equal to length into breadth. So length is given as x minus 5 and breadth is also x minus 5. So that one is x square minus 2 into x into 5 and here is plus 5 square. Use the NT. So that one is x square minus 10 of x and plus 25 meter square. So that one is your answer. So you have to do this type of question. Let us see what will be happen in this. Question number 7. In a temple, the number of flowers offering to idol is equal to the total number of idol in the temple. 2 idol more will be established over there. Now also persist to offer the equal number of the flower to equal number of idol, but 24 more flowers are needed. Determine the previous number of the idol in the temple. Let the number of idol be x. So you can write here, let the number of idols be x. So now the number of flowers are also x. So you can say number of flowers and number of idols are here. Yes. Now what will be happen in this? Number of flowers for per idols. Number of flowers x per idol. So what will be happen? The total number as you show according to question. The total number of flowers, that is the x into x, and here is increasing how much? 2. So it is x plus 2 and here is also x plus 2. So require the 24 flowers. So it is the minus 24 because ये 24 less हो जाएगा उससे. So it will be x square. It is equal to, so you can apply the formula, that is the x square and plus 2 into x and plus 4 and minus 24. So what will be happen? So that one is x square is equal to x square minus of 4x and here is it is plus 4x and it is the 20. So let us see in this area. So x square transfer to here and there. So we can write here x square plus 4x minus 20 is equal to x square. Change the direction of x square. So x square minus 4x plus 4x and minus x square and 20 is shifted to right hand side, that becomes 20. So x square will be cancelled out. So 4x is equal to 20 and now x is equal to 20 upon 4. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 5 ja So x is equal to 5. So 5 iodols are here. You can write here 5 iodols. So that one is your answer. So let us see in the next one. Question number 8. Area of rectangular field is x square minus 25 meter square. If the length of field is x plus 5, then find the width. So how can say it? The first of right, you can write the area. Area of rectangle. It is given as x square minus 25 meter square, and length is given as x plus 5 meter. Now we want to find the breadth. It is the question mark. As you know, breadth is equal to area upon length. Now use the formula area of length, that is the area is given as x square minus 25 and it is the x plus 5. So let us see what will be happen here. So you can write here length is equal to x square minus 25. So you can write x square minus 5 square, and here is x plus 5. Now use the identity, that is the x plus 5 and x minus 5. So you can know, the identity, that is the a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So let us see x plus 5. So what will be happen in this? X plus 5 cancel to x plus 5 and we get x minus 5 meter, and that is your answer. Let us see the last question. In this question, the width and length of the rectangular mirrors are consequent numbers if measured in feet. The difference between the square of these number is 0.5. So find the length and width of the mirrors. Let us see. Let us start this question. What will be happen? Once again, the width of the length and rectangular mirror are consequent number. Let breadth be x feet and length be x plus 1 feet. So let us see what is the difference between the square of these numbers. So according to question, what will be happen? So it is the x plus 1 whole square and minus x square is given as 5. So let us see, it is the a square minus b square. So we can use the identity. Which identity? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So let us see here, it is x plus 1 plus x, and in the second bracket it is x plus 1 minus x. So let us see, it is 5. So x will be cancelled out and we get here 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. So 2x is equal to 5 minus 1. So 2x will be equal to 4. So let us see what will be happen here. It is 2x equal to 4. So x equal to 4 divided by 2. So it becomes 2. So x equal to 2. So length is and breadth. Breadth is x, that is the 2, and length is 2 plus 1, that is the 3 feet, and it is feet also. So that one is your answer. आपकी एक्सरसाइज समाप्त हो रही है, एंड हो गई एक्सरसाइज का. मेरे ख्याल से सारे क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गए होंगे. जो बच गए हैं उनको आप लोगों को करना है, और नीचे आपको लाल रंग का ये बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, बटन को दबाकर सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, और नीचे एक और बटन दिखाई देता है आपको, ये शेयर के लिए होता है. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे. मैं इसी के साथ आर.एस. प्रसाद सर आज का लेसन यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ. मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसी के साथ. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.